Hi Gemini, welcome to your reading. Today's reading is the eyes reading, where we will see how your person sees you. Okay. So Gemini, this is your the eye reading. What you're seeing here is the upper cards or the upper lid of the eye shows how your person sees you, but they don't tell you that. And the lower cards or the lower lid of the eye tells you what they think about you, and you are aware of that, or they might be telling you or you might be telling them. So it's transparent, right? And so this is not about your person is hiding something, they are thinking something else, but in front of you they are telling lie to you, they are not being honest to you. No, it's not about that. It's just about sometimes we don't feel it's the right time to express whatever we think about the other person, or it's not necessary also. So it's just about that. And this card right here is what is making your person to stay with you. If you think that they might be leaving, or there is a situation that they might leave but they are not leaving, right? So what is it that is making them to stay with you in your situation right now? Okay, so Gemini, I think, I don't know what happened between you and the other person that is making them think this, but they don't think you are emotionally all over the place. You don't have control, you don't have the right emotions. You are, you need a lot of healing. Something has happened, I don't know what happened, but you are not emotionally stable, and you are not a person who, they don't trust you that you can commit to anyone for long term, and that you are stable enough to commit yourself for your person, for the other person. And they do think that they are not very hopeful with you, the relationship, with when it comes to relationship with you, because you need to work on yourself a lot. And there might also be something related to your work that they think is not right. Let's see. Now what is that this is what they think about you, and they also tell you, they might be telling you that, or this is open between you and your person, is you are too much scared when you think about getting the right person, getting a grounded relationship, getting a person who is practical in life. So you are really scared, you get worried whether you will be able to get anyone like that or not, and that is what makes you stop to commit to anyone, because you just get worried, okay, regarding the stability of the relationship. And you are also worried about the money aspect of the relationship, if there will be any issues related to financially, you and your partner need to be stable, so you are worried about that. And they think that you are very dominant, because as the more you get scared, the more dominant you become. That is what they think. You want to take all the decisions, you want to do what you want to do when you want to do, and so they think you are in and out of their life, okay? And they think that you need to calm down your dominant personality to a little bit, give the other person equal opportunity to be a part of your life in decision making. And so maybe it's the physical aspect of the relationship that is making you and your person to be together, but other than that, they think that you are not confident, or you are very scared to commit, okay? For some of you, this is also showing your person thinks that when it comes to work, you want to be in order to achieve a good position at work. They think you can do anything. I mean, even if it takes you to go out with someone, you know, so that maybe to convince your boss so that they promote you. So they think you might be involved in some kind of illicit relationship at your workplace, or maybe flirting at your workplace, for some of you. And so that needs to be taken care of, or that needs to be controlled also. Now, what is it that is making your partner to stay with you is, yeah, there needs to be a proper communication between you and your person. Whatever issues you have with yourself and whatever issues you had with your person, if there was any conflict that recently happened, there was not enough discussion about that. There is a need of communication before any decision can be taken, any final decision can be taken. So only then, after that, there will be some kind of closure. So this is what I see. There is a need for communication between you and your person. Okay, so Gemini, I hope this was helpful, and don't get upset by your reading. This is what I see, and yeah, thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next video.